Now you have 9 balloons. And we want to add 5 balloons. Solve this in your mind.
I start at 9 and count on 5 steps. 10, 11, 12.
Hello, young adventurers! I'm Captain AHS. Today, Saro and Mina are on an exciting math adventure course. They will learn how to add by counting on. A special trick to solve addition problems up to 20. Are you ready to join them and help solve some math puzzles? Let's go!
All right, Mina. What if we do addition by counting on?
Addition by counting on?
We'll count on. I'll tell you how addition by counting on works. We start with the bigger number and count forward.
Okay, so how do we do that with blueberries?
Let's say we start with 3 blueberries. And we want to add 1 blueberry. We start at 3 and count on to 1 more, that is 4.
I get it! We start at 3 and count up to 1. Here we go! 3, 4. That's 4!
Exactly! 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Now let's try with a bigger number. Suppose we have 7 balloons. And we want to add 6 balloons. We'll start with a bigger number, that is 7. And count on 6 steps.
Okay, I start at 7. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That's 13.
Perfect. 7 plus 6 is equal to 13. Because we took 6 steps to count from 7 to 13.
This is amazing! Saro!
Now can you do it in your own mind?
I'll try.
Now you have 9 balloons. And we want to add 5 balloons. Solve this in your mind.
I start at 9 and count on 5 steps. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That's 14.
Right. So, 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. Because we counted on 5 steps from 9 to 14.
That was awesome! I learned to add by counting on. I start at the bigger number and count forward.
Exactly. You've mastered the trick of counting on to add. It's all about thinking forward instead of backward.
Now, it's the time for quiz. Here's your first question. You have 3 apples. If you add 2 more apples, how many apples do you have? Is it option A, 4, or option B, 5? Think about it. That's right. The correct answer is option B, 5. Here's your next question. You have 7 balloons. If you add 5 more balloons, how many balloons do you have? Is it option A, 11, or option B, 12? Think about it. Perfect! The correct answer is option B, 12. Here's your next question. You have 14 stars. If you add 3 more stars, how many stars do you have? Is it option A, 17, or option B, 18? Think about it. Fantastic! The correct answer is option A, 17. Here's your next question. You have 15 blocks. If you add 4 more blocks, how many blocks do you have? Is it option A, 19, or option B, 20? Think about it. Amazing! The correct answer is option A, 19. 15 plus 4 is equal to 19. Here's your last question. You have 11 cookies. If you add 6 more cookies, how many cookies do you have? Is it option A, 16, or option B, 17? Think about it. Excellent! The correct answer is option B, 17. 11 plus 6 is equal to 17. You've mastered adding by counting up to 20. But the fun doesn't stop here. Next time, Saro and Mina will discover how to add doubles. A cool trick that makes addition even faster. Don't miss out on more free, interactive lessons. Hit subscribe and join us on the journey to education without boundaries.